The world of canines boasts the powerful Rottweiler, a loyal guardian bred for herding. But in the wild reigns the mighty brown bear, a solitary giant. Today, we enter the arena to compare these titans across various aspects. Let's see who emerges victorious. Kind of. Size and strength, Rottweiler. Standing at 24 to 27 inches tall and weighing 80 to 130 pounds, Rottweilers are impressive, muscular dogs. Their strength allows them to pull significant weight and deter threats. Brown bear. A true heavyweight champion, brown bears tower at 6 to 8 feet tall and weigh a staggering 400 to 1,500 pounds. Their immense size and brute strength make them apex predators in their domain. Winner, brown bear. No contest here. The sheer size and power of the brown bear dwarf the Rottweiler. Temperament. Rottweiler. Bred for loyalty and protection, Rottweilers are naturally wary of strangers. With proper training and socialization, they are calm and affectionate with their families. However, their guarding instincts can lead to aggression if not managed correctly. Brown bear. Brown bears are solitary creatures and generally avoid humans. However, they can become aggressive if they feel threatened, especially when protecting cubs or food sources. Winner. It's a draw. Both can be dangerous if threatened, but with proper training, Rottweilers can be loving companions. Brown bears, as wild animals, should always be avoided. Senses and tracking. Rottweiler. Rottweilers possess excellent senses of smell and hearing. This makes them exceptional watchdogs, able to detect intruders from afar. However, their tracking abilities are not as refined as some other breeds. Brown bear. Brown bears have a keen sense of smell, allowing them to locate food sources over vast distances. Their eyesight isn't the best, but their powerful sense of smell compensates well. They can track prey and threats effectively. Winner, brown bear. Their superior sense of smell grants them the edge in tracking. Habitat and diet Rottweiler. A domesticated breed, Rottweilers thrive alongside humans. They require a comfortable living space with access to exercise. Their diet consists of high-quality dog food formulated for their size and activity level. Brown bear. Brown bears inhabit forests, mountains, and meadows. They are omnivores, feeding on berries, fish, insects, and small mammals. Winner. It's a draw. Both thrive in their respective environments. Conclusion. While both Rottweilers and brown bears are impressive creatures, they exist in entirely different worlds. Rottweilers, with proper care and training, can be loyal and loving companions. Brown bears, on the other hand, are wild animals to be respected and observed from a safe distance. This comparison highlights the incredible diversity of the animal kingdom, with each creature playing a vital role in their ecosystem.